Hi, I'm Katie Bavoso on site at the Fortinet Cybersecurity Summit 2024 in Toronto. And now I'm joined by Pedro Paixao. He is and you've got quite a title, sir, Fortinet's Senior Vice President, International Sales and Services in Canada, Latin America, and the Caribbean. And that is so impressive. Welcome.
Sounds important.
It does, it does.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. Thank you so much for being here. Let's dig right into it because I saw the keynotes today and this was a point of passion for both you and Jack Pagano. What has been influencing the Fortinet customers' buying habits the most over the last year? And then how are you filling those needs?
I think over the past few years, we've seen a big shift from customers buying, everything up front, buying hardware solutions. That's how we've geared all of our business, to buying more as a service. Right, so going from a CapEx model to more of an OpEx model where you're trying to optimize your budgets and try to pay also on demand. So if I'm using something, I'm going to pay for it. If I'm not using, I don't want to buy all this extra capacity. Over the past couple of years, we've released some products, some features, some new business models. Right, we call it, everything at Fortinet is 40 something, so it's 40 points, which allows customers to reserve some dollars, right, and spend it over up to 3 years, right? And another one that's called 40 Flex, which basically you can spin up a product for a day and bring it back down. You get that with 40 Flex. With points, you get up to a month. So the base unit is a month, you buy something for a month. As opposed to our traditional contracts, which is just for a full year, 2 years, 3 years, traditionally.
Let's drill down more into the solutions. What solutions from Fortinet are you finding your partners are having the most success with when provisioning and managing their customer environments? And how are you helping them to continue doing this at scale?
As an industry, we've shifted from we're here to block everything, right, to somehow, some way, someone's going to come in. And so what are the products and solutions that are going to help you, one, identify a problem, two, remediate it and remediate it as quickly as possible. So these types of services for incident response, for recognition of attacks, for trying to identify attacks without false positives, right, without making mistakes, those products and solutions and services have been extremely successful. So I created a service team for our region and it grew 40 times in the last 3 years.
Wow.
Right, and so it's really just an incredible growth story. And the partners that have joined us in this journey have also been extremely successful because we're a channel-driven company.
With that in mind, growth is always, it's a journey, not a destination, as we say. So what are you hearing as far as feedback, commentary, and just notes from the ecosystem of Fortinet today here at the event?
What I keep hearing consistently from our customers is that, oh, we didn't know you guys did that. And so a lot of that. And so our customers buy the solutions and quite literally they're using 10-20% of it and don't know that they already have a ton of other features and protections that all they needed to do is check something on a configuration and it's there. From a security perspective, having the controls and not being able to use them obviously is a problem. So taking that feedback, we're setting up a new team that's going to help the customers really maximize the use of all of the features that they already have and sort of the roadmap where they want to be, where they want to go, what are their investments over the next 2-3 years, and how from a security perspective we enable that business.
What is one thing or something you wish that all IT and cybersecurity professionals knew about working with Fortinet?
We honor our commitments. It's more than just a product. It's having this team that is here to help you, guide you, transition through this deployment, getting to a safer place, quite literally, right, with your investment, and getting you and your organization to protect your critical infrastructure, if it's at a government level or if it's a private entity, quite literally affects the lives and livelihoods of millions of people, and we want to do it right.